Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you install Unpacked extension in Google Chrome. To install Unpacked extension in Google Chrome, you need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, you want to open up a browser and then you want to click on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. After which a drop down menu appears. So from here, what you want to do is go to extension, which is right in between. Once again, you would see a pop-up window, so click on manage extensions. Once you do it, so what next you want to do is you want to click or toggle the button for developer mode in the top right hand side corner. After which you want to go ahead and click on load unpack from the left hand side corner, and then you could see a file where you could go ahead and unpack it. So then you could locate it, so and then select the folder where you actually want to do it. So let's see, this is one, and click on select folder, and then click on the OK button and restart your PC and see whether that works. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.